Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the Duck and Meatballs Paella. The ingredients for the Duck and Meatballs Paella are Paella Rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, duck breast, beef and pork meatballs, chicken liver, and beef stock. Of course, as usual, we'll also be adding the rest of the Spanish ingredients such as paprika, paella mix, and saffron. So, let's start making this duck and meatballs paella. First, let's cook the duck breast. To begin with, we're not gonna add any oil, and we're just gonna melt the duck fat. iWantPaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So don't miss out and come visit us at iWantPaella.eu. So, do you like these paella videos and other videos like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. Let's take out our duck breast. Let's add our beef and pork meatballs. Let's turn those meatballs over. Okay, let's take out those meatballs. Alright, we're gonna reserve them for later. Let's add our chicken chopped liver. Let's add a bit of salt to the liver. Let's add the onion and the garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's add an envelope of pure saffron. Let's add half an envelope of paella mix. And let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. Let's mix it up. Let's add our paella rice. 300 grams, because we're making 3 portions. Let's add 900 milliliters of beef stock. Something like that. We're gonna leave a bit at the end in case we need it. Just gonna shake the paella to distribute the rice. There we go. Let's bring back our duck breast. We've come to a nice boil, so we're going to reduce our paella burner power down to 50%. Something like that. Let's give it a bit of a shake. There we go. There you go. Let's turn over our duck breast so that it finishes cooking on the other side as well. The remainder of the beef stock to finish cooking that rice. And also we're gonna start to bring back our meatballs. Let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon. That rice is around 50%. We're gonna leave it cooking for a bit more. Let's add a bit of salt. That's looking really good, guys. If you like meat, you're gonna love this paella. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon. Okay, that rice is around 65%, so we're gonna leave it cook it for a bit longer. Gonna add a bit more of salt. When you try your rice, it's always a great opportunity to taste your salt as well. That way, you don't add too much salt. We're bringing our paella burner power down to 30% to finish cooking that rice. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 80%, so we're gonna leave it simmering for the last 2-3 minutes. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Okay guys, our paella is finished. We're gonna turn off the paella burner and then we're gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, here we have our duck breast and meatballs paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this duck breast and meatball paella. Nice. Some duck, some liver too. This is a meat lover's paella. Fantastic. That looks so delicious. Okay guys, that's all we have for you today. Don't forget that you can find us at iwantpaella.eu and as well subscribe, like and share with all your friends. Thank you and see you soon.